Hello to all RPG creators. This video is a presentation of the LS Dialogue Editor 1.6 update, which brings an internationalization solution for RPG Maker MZ software. We will quickly explore a basic I18N workflow in the software. You will see how easy and simple it is to translate your entire game, whether it's finished or still in production. We will also see how to leverage the voice narration system to integrate voiceovers into your JRPG, thus dubbing it into the languages you desire. Localizing your game is a very effective way to distribute it worldwide. It allows your future customers to enjoy your product in their native language and culture without ambiguity. So, let's get started with RPG Maker. We're going to create a new project. And we're going to create a little event. Just for illustration, we're going to choose, why not, a little pig. Let's insert some text, like you probably already have thousands in your project. Hey, I am a little pig. Onk onk. That should be enough. And with grammar mistakes to test some features. With LSDE, you don't need to put much effort into the text. Simply provide and write the narrative intention. To take advantage of I18 in RPG Maker, you will need to install the LSDE I18N plugin in your project's plugins folder. Once installed, you will need to add it via the plugin manager, and a few adjustments will be necessary to ensure its proper functioning. To start, you need to define your project's default language using a standardized ISO 639-1 code. The documentation will offer a few choices if you need help. Next, we'll need to define the translation languages. You can simply copy examples of the most popular languages on Steam. The labels for each language in the same order as the locales entered previously. These labels will appear at the game startup for your players. This menu allows you to switch to the desired game language each time the game starts. For now, we have no translations, so all texts, images, and audio elements will automatically revert to the original elements if translations are not available. We will now switch to LS Dialogue Editor. To create a new project linked to RPG Maker, we need to select New Project. Choose RPG Maker as the technology. Leave the second column empty. And among the variants, select MAI18N Lepasoft. This configuration will set up an RPG Maker MZ project already pre-configured with the dedicated plugin. We will then need to open the localization configuration window. This is where we will choose the RPG Maker project folder that we wish to localize. LSDE will import the entire project and present it to you in a tree structure. You will find our dialogue with the little piglet we added earlier. At this stage, we can already add languages. To do this, we simply need to retrieve those you defined in the project configuration. Once the languages are installed, all fields are now visible, allowing you to start translating, improving, or correcting your game's texts. Task menus are available in the tree structure and also for each individual key. Let's start by correcting our text, which was very poorly written. LSDE allows you to stay focused on your game's logic within the RPG Maker software and delegate the composition and translation aspects to it. For example, we can configure our project to improve the texts and consistency with our characters' dialogues throughout the story's progression. Now, let's do a translation so we can visualize it in real time in our project. We can then export manually via the sync button located above, or use hotkeys to save the project and export the translations simultaneously. Upon export, you should be able to see a new folder named I18N in your data folder. And now, if we start the project again, we will see that our game will use our translations in the defined language. The RPG Maker plugin also supports audio dubbing for your character voices. To do this, in LSDE, we just need to create instance variables and define them as voice instances. We create an instance to which we assign the label pig to find it easily. We then configure the audio system for export. We need to specify the location where RPG Maker uses audio files. We will need a simple language code for the I18N plugin. Then we generate .ogg containers with the Opus codec. We will add the previously created category as a category containing voice actor instances. We can then configure their voice profiles. Next, let's open the Voice Manager, which will synchronize with the active keys. We can then specify, in the keys metadata, the voice actors authorized to use this dialogue, such as our little piglet, for example. We can then open each character, improve the dialogue text if necessary, and generate a voice for it.
Hey, I'm a little pig! Oink oink!
Let's also generate its Japanese dubbing.
Konnichiwa! Watashi wa Kobuta desu! Boo boo!
It's possible to generate as many instances as desired.
Konnichiwa! Watashi wa Kobuta desu! Boo boo!
Only the checked audio files will be exported, the others remaining in memory. Then, let's go back to RPG Maker and now add the generated voice file. It's important to use only the file corresponding to the game's native language. Then, let's start our game in Japanese. We will be able to see that the audio file is indeed in Japanese.
Konnichiwa! Watashi wa Kobuta desu! Boo boo!
And if we select English at startup, this time we will have the English dubbing.
Hey, I'm a little pig! Oink oink!
There you go. From now on, there's nothing more to configure. You can fully concentrate on the logic of your project without having to worry about drafting or the consistency of your dialogues. LSDE allows you to correct, improve, and translate them for free with your favorite LLMs. The plugin supports dialogues, choices, images, and audio. You can download it from the documentation section of the website under RPG Maker. LSDE is still in an experimental phase and is set to evolve over time. To not miss any video guides and future updates, subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, don't hesitate to join our Discord server, the link to which is in the description. Thank you immensely for your time. Be creative, maintain control of your narration, and happy developing.